Welcome back to The Explainer. I am incredibly pumped you're here today, mainly because we're tackling a massive headache for creators right now. Look, if you're trying to put together content on your phone in 2026, you know exactly how overwhelming it is to choose the right mobile editing app. There's literally dozens of them out there, right? And they all claim to be the absolute best. Honestly, trying to figure out which one is actually worth your time, it can feel like a full-time job. But hey, don't worry, we're going to clear all of that up today with a really structured look at the top contenders. Because this is the million-dollar question, isn't it? Which mobile video editing app is actually the best in 2026? Are we talking CapCut, VN, or InShot? You know, you've probably been there. We've seen hours testing out random apps. You finally finish your masterpiece only to export it and boom, you find this massive surprise watermark slapped right across the middle of your hard work. Or maybe you're trying to use a specific effect and suddenly you hit a hidden paywall that just brings your entire workflow to a screeching halt. It's incredibly frustrating. And the wrong app doesn't just annoy you, it literally slows down your ability to create. So today, we're going to save you some serious time and completely bypass all that trial and error.
So here's our roadmap for today's explainer. First, we'll look at CapCut and its fast AI editing. Then, VN for free pro control. Third, InShot, the beginner choice. And finally, we'll wrap up with the ultimate 2026 verdict. Basically, we're going to match you with your perfect fighter based on your unique creator persona. Let's jump right in.
Okay, starting with number 1, CapCut, and its super fast AI editing. If you primarily make YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikToks, CapCut is usually going to be your absolute easiest choice. I mean, the reason for its massive popularity in 2026 is just how seamlessly it blends traditional mobile editing with incredibly powerful AI tools. We're talking about AI-assisted video generation, auto captions that literally save you from manually typing out every single word, and honestly, incredibly realistic text-to-speech features. If your priority is speed, jumping on trends quickly, and getting that snappy, social-style editing done fast, CapCut is very, very hard to beat. But, of course, no app is perfect, right? CapCut has a pretty significant weak point that you really need to be aware of. While it is an absolute powerhouse for those viral social edits, well, a lot of those highly sought-after, popular templates and fancy effects, yeah, they're securely tied to paid features or require a monthly subscription. So the big caveat here is that while you can start fast, you might actually run headfirst into paywalls if you want to use the absolute best, trendiest templates the app has to offer. Let's move along to our second contender, VN, representing free pro control. Now, VN is the absolute best option right now if you're looking for a completely free editor that delivers zero watermarks, like none. You get totally clean exports. But actually, it doesn't stop there. It gives you true professional-level control directly on your phone. We're talking a full multi-track timeline so you can layer your video and audio seamlessly, complete keyframe control for smooth custom animations, plus essential tools like auto text caption conversion. It gives you this incredible precision and editing freedom, but miraculously, it manages to do all of this without feeling overly complicated. However, we definitely have to look at the trade-off here. It was actually perfectly captured in some recent comparisons we looked at, noting that VN is, quote, less template-driven and less trend-focused than CapCut for fast viral style edits. Basically because VN focuses so heavily on giving you that manual, professional freedom, it just simply lacks those easy push-button, instantly viral templates that CapCut is so famous for. You absolutely have the power to build anything you want in VN, but, you know, you're going to have to build it yourself from the ground up. All right, let's look at number 3, InShot, which is the beginner choice. Listen, if you are opening a video editing app for the very first time and you literally just want to get things done simply, InShot is for you. It totally removes all the stress of learning a complex interface. It provides this incredibly easy, all-in-one environment where you can do fast trimming, throw in some clean transitions, add your music, pop on some stickers and text, and boom, you're done. It even simplifies some of the more advanced features, you know, things like speed controls, picture-in-picture, and masks. Plus, it makes formatting your video for the specific aspect ratios of YouTube, TikTok, or Reels just absolutely effortless. It's an incredibly approachable workflow all around. But there is a major friction point you're going to encounter with InShot, especially when we stack it up against VN. See, while VN offers a fully free experience with absolutely no watermark, InShot's free version introduces some pretty significant watermark friction. If you want a clean video, well, you're going to have to deal with that watermark, and honestly, you're going to experience quite a bit of upsell pressure pushing you toward their paid tiers. I guess you could say it's the price you pay for that extreme beginner simplicity. Which brings us to Section 4, the ultimate 2026 verdict. So what does this all mean? Well, the crucial takeaway here is that there is no single perfect app out there that just magically does everything for everyone. The best app is simply the one that fits your specific content style. So let's run through it really quick. If you're making faceless videos, shorts, and you desperately want those fast AI tools and viral templates, you are the social trendsetter. You should definitely choose CapCut. Now, if you're the power user who demands multi-track control, absolute precision, and you absolutely refuse to have a watermark on your free exports, choose VN. And finally, if you're the absolute beginner, brand new to all of this, and you just want to learn without the stress, start your journey with the simple and easy-to-learn InShot. So I have to ask, which one are you? Are you leaning towards the trend-heavy AI power of CapCut, the precise and free control of VN, or maybe the relaxing simplicity of InShot? Make your choice. But honestly, it also leaves us with a much bigger question. As AI continues to evolve, will beginner apps like InShot and pro tools like VN eventually merge into a single AI-driven powerhouse, or will manual control always remain king? Drop a comment below and tell me exactly which app fits your style and why. And hey, if this explainer saved you hours of frustrating app testing, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Keep creating, and I'll see you in the next explainer.